So okay guys, so today we'll be creating this flyer design. So the first thing you need to know is the size. I'm always using my flyer design size always 2000 by 25 pixel. Yeah, so this is it. Go to the size, set the size. So next thing you need to do is to change the background color. The background color, look at the background color here. So this is the position, and the background color for this one particular and this one here is just copy the color code here, and also do same so same do same with the other one. So this is the color code. It's not actually that yellow, so you can copy it and use it exactly like the way I keep. Just slide it to just like this white one. Now this white, and just slide it a little bit to this place you get, and leave it. So now the next thing you need to do is to where's the flyer again? There is this line I used. There's this line that I used at the back of this code. So what you need to do is I don't even use any tool. I just used everything I did here is Pixellab. So go to the draw. Just kindly go to the draw this thing. So just click on this middle icon and go to the draw. So click on the draw. Once you click on the draw, increase the pen size. Scroll up and increase the pen size. Increase the pen size to at least let me check for something. Just increase the pen size like the largest. You get, increase to the largest. And let's change the color. Use this color code. I'll just pick it. So okay, so use the color. Look at the color code here, FFF4D4. So look at it, FFF4D4. So once you select it, just click OK and just look at what I will be doing. Just draw a line, kind of slant line like this. You see it now? Don't just make it to perfect. Just make it to be slant like this. It should not be perfect though, but make it to be something to just be like, no, what am I even doing again? So so let's just leave it, make it to be something like this. And if you notice, the yellow is not actually much, so don't let the color of the yellow to be much. And I'm also going to reduce the opacity of this yellow. You get, so reduce the opacity of this yellow color, and let's just reduce the opacity to, like, let's say 70 is okay. Yeah, 70 is okay. Now the next thing I have to do is just to bring in our image. I'll drop the resources down below. After, so now let me just bring in the resources. I'll just have to push. So this is the resources, I think. Yes. So it's not the resources. It's not this particular image. I think the one that I used. So this is it. Yes, okay, this is what I want. So increase the size. So just increase the size to 100. It's always 100. So increase the size a bit. Like this. This is okay. So increase the size a bit. I'm just going to use this. Increase the size and place it this. So if you notice the other clothes, like the orange and the other white one, are not. It's not showing. Just I'm going to be using the two. So I supposed to be adding a lot of, like, this is a boutique flyer. I'm supposed to be adding a lot of clothes and all that, but it's not really needed. So the flyer need to, if you want the flyer to work very well, you don't need to add. You need to start adding more these things, so that it will be clean and the viewers will be able to read and then just grab what you are trying to convey in the flyer. So just this is okay. Pause. Lock it, and then let's add play. Go to your shape. Click on this shape here. Drag it up a bit.
drag it up, just drag it up a bit like this, and go to scroll down to gradient. Scroll down to gradient, use this one. This is this white one. But now click on this plus icon. When you go on this plus icon, so if you notice the gradient we are using is the same gradient we use in the background. So click on this plus icon and select this white one here. Select this one, and go to color, drag this opacity on this one opacity, drag it down to hit this place, and click OK, and that's good. So look at how it is now. So this is very nice. We're getting there. So the next thing to do here is is it to add our x? Sorry, is it to add our text? No. First, what am I even doing again? So lock the images, lock the flare. Don't like the flare to be much. So you see how I just do it. It's very soft. It will not be showing that much again. So the next thing to do is to add our shape again. Add another shape. So this one is for footer for our CTA. Just drag it a little bit like this. Drag it a little bit like this. This is okay. And don't mark good. So once I drag, just don't mark good. Just make sure that it is exactly the same size, and just go to this radius and just leave it at 15. So 15 is good. Leave it at 15, and yeah, we have it. So the next thing is to change the color. Go to color and pick the color that we used here. Pick this color. Go to color, click on the plus icon, click on this picker tool. This thing is I've already known this. So click on the picker tool and then select the image of the color. So image of the clothes, and just select this black one. Just select, make sure that it is in this black one, and click good. Click OK, and here we have it. So let me check the flyer then again. So yes, it's it. So but this is not actually the shape that we use. So let's go back to the shape. I don't even know. So go back to the shape. Make this thing to be like 20 or 30. Leave it at 30. Leave it at 30. Leave it at 30, and stretch it a little bit to be here yet. So I think this is it. But if you notice, our color is too dark. So go to the black color and reduce it. Just reduce it, make it to be a little gray. It won't be dark that much again. So you can just copy my color code from here. So copy my color code from here, and this is nice. So the next thing is to add our text. Let's start adding our text. Let's start adding our text. So the first text we have there, I think, is this broke boutique. So now we type broke boutique. So I don't. If you're in my channel, I've already talked about font pairing. You see how I paired the two fonts, broke boutique. So if you're not in the channel, you can just indicate in the group. I will add you in the channel. So, and I think I also talk about the font pairing in this font psychology. It's under font psychology again, so you can also learn fonts from there. So click go to fonts, and then once you go to fonts, and then go to this. I've forgotten the font I use here. Okay, I use this font Arsenic. I think I've sent it in the group in the first video. So you have this thing Arsenic and Arsenic Trial Medium. So select the Arsenic Trial Medium and click OK. So there is it. And if you notice, just look at how I use color in the design. So the same black that I use in this text is also the same black I use in the footer. So everything will just align. You get? So make sure that it's actually more. Just leave it this way, and
you can adjust this our clothes, just make it to, I don't want it to be distracting our test. So yeah, this is okay now. So click the brook boutique, I think here, just click it here, and let's just go and select the color. Go to color, go and pick the color, the same color that I used in the flyer. So pick the color here. What am I even picking? Just pick it. So this is the color here. Pick it, and boom, this is it. So the next thing is to add our boutique. Just go to text, edit, type in boutique. Boutique. So this one I use Poppins. So I normally use these two fonts, most of them two fonts when I'm working on this thing. Pop is already my so my brand font, so I normally use it. So click on, I think I use Poppins Light Italic. So, Poppins Light Italic, use it and increase the size. So increase the size a little bit. And here is it. It's already called. It's blacked already. So that's it. So the next thing. So make sure that the size, like they are in the same line. The edges of this text are in the same line. The B, everything, they are just in the same line. Don't make this one to be bigger. Sorry, to be more. Don't make the width of this one to be what's it called? To be bigger than the width of the other one. Just make sure that the square, like all of them are lined.
So right here we have it now. So it's now well aligned. So the next thing is to add this shape. Okay, we have fashions. Okay, so the next thing, let's add our text again. So if you notice, I use only two fonts in this design. That's also one of the rules that you need to know. Use no less than two fonts. I'll be two typeface. Yes, so don't use more than three typeface. So the tagline.
Sorry, my app just crashed and I didn't even know. So add the text. So this text, this fashion. I used, the size is 19. So I'm just recording, but my recorder just crashed. I don't even notice. I was just doing. So just go to the font. The font size should be Poppins Light. So this particular one should be Poppins Light. Then go to shapes. Make sure that this shape is actually like it fits, the text fits into the shape at the center. Just make sure that it fits. So just to see the border, just what you need to do is just to reduce the opacity to 0, this opacity to 0, and this opacity to 0, and then increase the radius to 14. And then go to stroke. Just add a little bit strokes. 1 is okay. So 1 is okay for the stroke. So this is it. So next thing again is to reduce also the opacity of this stroke. So go to opacity, reduce it to, let's say 30 is okay. So the hierarchy. I don't want the stroke to be distracting the text. So if it's too much, it will be kind of distracting me again. So the next thing again is to add our the shape, and then the shape of our services and all that. So go to shape again. So make sure that it is also aligned. It is also in the same line with the Brook Boutique, the border of the tagline as well. So make sure it's the same line. So this is okay. Go to radius. I think use the same 14 as well. Use the same 14 and use this color. The color we're going to be using is this color. So you can just go and then use the same color that we used in that zigzag line. So look at the color code. Click OK, and we have this now. So the next thing is another shape. So I used two shape here. So add another shape. So I add another shape and make sure that it fits at the center of this bigger shape you get. So next thing you need to do is just increase the radius to 100 and just make it a little bit small you get. So make it a little bit small and change the color to this big color here. So the color that you used in the Broke boutique, so use the same color there again. So the next thing to do is click OK. The shape is too much for me. Let me reduce it to this. Reduce it to this, yes, and have it this way, guys. This is nice. So I think this is nice. The next thing is actually much for me. I don't know why this is not looking perfect to me. Okay, this is nice. So the next thing again is to now start adding our text. I think this is our services. We sell. This original one is even bigger. This one is even bigger, and this one is also on that picture. So make sure this thing is actually leave it like this. This is okay. So, and also make sure that it is aligned. That's why I love using this grid. I've told you guys how to use the grid as well. So make sure it is aligned as well. It's in one line. I just want to make this right. I'm not even doing it again. So make sure that it is in one line, but this one will be at the center, not at the center of the shape you get. So this is okay. So bring it down a little bit, and you are. So the next thing is to add our text. So add our text. We sell. Again, just pay attention to all these things. You get how I place the text inside the shape. So all these things matter. Again, so some of you guys just leave it and think that it will not come up like that. All these things contribute to the neatness of it. So make the color white. It's white. So another thing is contrast. I cannot be using black for this. Black is too dark. Again is to add our listing services. So the services there is casual wear, formal wear, native wear. Okay. So just make sure that it is aligned. I just paused the video so that the video won't be long. Just pause it. So make sure that it's aligned very well in the shape. Pay attention to all these things. Now, let me just bring in the go to import. Let me bring in the verified icon. So I don't know why this got so let me add it. I think I will send the icon for it. So I just go there, type verified and see. And the next thing again, copy it and then just make sure that just move it to make sure that it is in the same line with the letters, different way. So the casual we have his own, formal we have his own, the native we also have his own, the keys as well. So make sure that is in line. The verified button and verified icon is in line with each of these lines here, each of these lines of words. So that will just be fast, do it, and we are done with this one again now. So the next thing again you have to do here is okay now. So the next thing you have to add here is our shop now. Let me push. So this, you just click on it and look at it. So now if you add this image now, so we have to change the color because in the design that I did, it's black. So click on the color. So go to erase color, and here we have it. Just in case it's tolerance, I think 24, and then change the color. Go to color, change it to black. So but this is not actually black now. I use the form of gradient. So go to gradient, click on any of the gradients, and then select the same black that we used. Select this black and click OK. You can also copy my code. Select the other one. Then the other one will now be this brighter part. Yes. So click on it and then we have it. So the gradient that I used is this one. So click on it and boom, our shape is now bouncing. So is this the size to say this is the size to so bring it up to here, so make it here. So can reduce the size. Let me just show you the size. The size is 39 by 31%. So reduce the size to 39 by 31%. Just lock it and add our shape. So the text, the same text I used there, I think is this boutique text that I used. I used this boutique text. Shop now. Yes. So shop now. Just type in the shop now. Change the color to white or the same color that we. I'm using white, pure white. So change it to white. Reduce the line spacing to let's say 16 is okay. 16 is okay. Reduce the line spacing to 16, and boom, we have it here. So the next thing is also to start adding our texts. Is it to add our text? So you start adding our text. So now click on let's add this Brook logo. So this is not actually a logo though. Let me just tell you the secret. So I use the icon creator. To there's this one icon there that I just use to form one kind of logo like that. You get? So I normally do that for fictional designs. So look at the logo here, click on it. I also drop this one in the cookie. You get? Click on it and then boom. So go and change the color. The color should be black. Change the color to be black. You see how every color. You see how I didn't change any color again. So it's just this two color you get, and it will make the design to pop. These are the secret that most idolos are not telling you guys. Just use everything. Don't do too much. There is nothing in doing too much there yet. So let's add our test. Brook boutique. I think Brook boutique. Is it? Yeah. So make sure that the first letters of the two words are in capital letter. That's another tip, because in English language. What that again? I don't forget the rules, but it's something that you use to make your this text to again. So So what I do is that I make the brook to be bold. So I use the poppins. So just select only the brook here. I think I've showed you guys this thing. Select only the brook from here. Select only the brook and use this poppins medium. And then the boutique, just use only poppins regular. Also, let's use light yet. So after this, click on OK and go to line spacing. Reduce the line spacing to 14. I think it's not 14. It's not 14. Wow. So this is the line spacing to 14, and this is the size as well. 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 Size as well. This is nice. Just in case the line spacing, because it's actually struggling with the power. So keep it at -12, and the size for the brook boutique is 24. So, and the size for this icon, I think, what's the size? I'll show you the size now. Let me show you again. So the size for this is 5% and 7%. So the next thing again is to add this our where your story. That one is very simple. I use this popping light. Just click on it and add where your story. Where your story is actually the is it tagline? I don't know why I just added this thing here. So where your story. Make sure that it's the same line. So use this grid. Use this grid. So for those, I don't know if you guys, but let me just repeat this thing. Go to this. If you want to add this grid, click on this grid line, and once you click on the grid line, just click on this setting, this small setting here. So once you click on this setting now, this thing you can now highlight and make sure that you can now highlight and move all these things, move any of these line you get. So make sure that it is the same. It is the name of the brand and the tagline are the same line. So the last but not the least we are going to be adding here is this is our call to action. The call to action. So now the next thing I have to add here is this shape, this border shape here. We already did that one. The same thing that we did in the tagline. So reduce the opacity so that you'll be seeing what you are doing. So reduce the opacity like this, and then increase the radius to be 100. Change the stroke to add the stroke to only 1, and you can change the color from here, or you can just change the color after you just click OK. So this is actually the setting for shape. For the shape, a quick setting you can do before adding your shape. So click OK after you make sure that it is longer and it will contain all the text and all the blah blah blah. So the next thing is to add our text. I'm not using a new text. I want to copy. So go to this where is story and copy it. Use this is my number. You can also use your number. Let me know, you guys. You can use your number. Let me know if you really replicate this design. So if you are sending a design, just you have to also screenshot your layers like this. Just screenshot the layers like this. Let me see what you did yet. Because some people might just do this thing and copy my designs. I'll just send it to the group like that. So change the color to white if it's the size. Before you change the color, make sure that it fits in very well to this what's it called, to this shape. Yes. Copy again and also write broke boutique. Right. I add this a slash here. Broke boutique. Yeah, so after doing that, you have to this is nice now. So let's add in our icons, and then we are done. I don't want it I don't want this thing to be more than 30 minutes, so I think, but it has already exceeded. So let me check whether this icon, this our font icon is here. There is this what is it called? There is this font that changes your letters to font to icons. I don't know if I have it in this my phone. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here, man. Why? Oh, I'll discover another font here, man. Later. So let me quickly add our this thing. So I'll just push. So now I've already added the icons. The icons are now added. So I'll just have to just reduce the sizes. So but for this phone icon, I'm coming and I'll show you what I did there. So reduce the sizes. Reduce sizes to fit in. Reduce sizes to fit in. Let's reduce size to say. Let me show you the size. The size is 8. But I will just reduce to 7. 7 is okay. But if you notice the icon has shrunk. So if you save in high quality, the icon will just come back, or you can just copy again and then it's same. Just if you save in high quality, the thing will just change it. So the next thing is this icon. Do the same thing. The same size we used in this is 7.17. This thing, 7. I think I remember the weight is 7.6. So place it. Make sure that it's also aligned, and change the color to this milk color. Do the same with the Instagram icon. Do the same with the Instagram icon, and then select the two. Select the Facebook icon and then this thing. So how to select? I think go to this layer. Go to this layer. Once you click on the layer, you select this. Click on this. So if you just click on this, if you see all this selection, you see all these check mark icon in this. So you just have to select any two of these that you want to. Any of the it can be 3, can be 4, can be 5 that you want to move. Select any of them, and then click on this one with pencil icon. Or if you want to merge, you can click this one to merge the two of them. So I think I already talked about this. Just click on it and then select this move icon. Select this move icon. Select this position, this thing. So click on it and it just bring it. So make sure that it gives the Brook Boutique a little bit space again. So don't make it to be very close. And again, now this is our core icon. So what I did in this core icon is I used the shape. I use the circle shape. Add the shape. Go just click on the radius. Make it to be 100. That'll be very 100. Anyone. So now make this icon. Make it black so that if you erase the color, it will move. It will move. No. Increase the size to 100. No, it's not 100, man. So increase the size to let's say 60 is okay, and then do the same thing that I just select the two by clicking on this and then click on this select the circle and then the core icon and click on the mesh, click on the mesh, click OK. And then after this, just go to erase color, go to erase color. But now erase colors. So what you need to do here is to select the black color. Let me show you again. So click on this selection icon, color icon, or color picker tool. Click on it and just select the black. So once you select the black and you notice that it's showing the circle, click OK. So increase the tolerance to 40. Let's just leave it at 40. 41 anyone. So after that, just reduce the size and boom, you just have your what's it called, your icon. I'll still look for this icon font. I love that font. If I'm using it, I won't be wasting much time. I'll just have to use my text and change it to this thing. It won't be very. So the size I use for this is 3% versus 2%. Just after this, select it and make it place it in the position with the with the number. Increase the size a little bit so that it's very big. This is nice. and shift it a little bit. So after they change the color to milk, and we have our design. So the next thing again is to save. Is there anything that we are doing wrong? Nothing. You can just arrange this very well. So this where your story, reduce the size. I think my own in the formal design is very small, and also the brick boutique, I can just reduce the size a little bit so that it won't be distracting anyway. Or you can just reduce the opacity of the text. Anyone. So let's save. I already have this 2000 by 2000, so it's very much. It's okay for me. Save to gallery. Save the gallery and go to Lightroom. Go to Lightroom. So this is my writing interface. I'll just go ahead and add the design that we did. So add it and let's just do a little bit edit so that it will be good. So we have it here. So click on it and then go to edit. Go to light and increase the exposure to, let's say, 0.4. For 3 is too much. 0.25 is okay. Click on the contrast, increase the contrast so that the light will be much, and then the light to -20 or 20, and it's good. Shadows reduce as well, but it won't be much. -9 is okay. White, increase white and reduce black. So next thing, just go to color. Don't touch anything. Just go to vibrance. Increase the vibrance to the +39 so that the color will pop. And then go to effects. Increase the texture. And then the clarity. The clarity won't be much too, because the design is already clear enough here. So this is it. And then the next thing, just go to detail. Increase detail. And then optics. You can just on these things so that the eyes and all that should not be, or you can just leave it anyone. So after this, save your design and then send it to me. So that will be all. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. So only again, pay attention to the details, the things I did, and do it the way I did it.